So I have a Kure Beach fig here. It's huge. It's as big as Grantham Royal, Desert King, which we have in the Pacific Northwest. It's not as red as I have seen. It looks more brown, but I love the size. It is a beautiful looking fig. It's heavy. It's been raining and it's holding up pretty well. I could have put it on the tree for a little longer, but I didn't want the birds to eat it. So let's try to taste it. It is extremely hard to open a fig outside with one hand. So bear with me here. Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful soft fig. Wow. So let's try the taste test, shall we? It reminds me of blackjack and brown turkey, except much better. Obviously, it's not hollow. It's more fruity, I would say, the flavor. Don't eat the skin. I'm not a skin person. It just makes my tongue itchy. Very juicy, very refreshing. It's an excellent fig. It's rather late ripening. Now I call it late in fall. But I definitely recommend this. It is better than the blackjack and brown turkey that I have earlier in the season. It looks the same, but it's not the same. Here are the leaves. I haven't had time to compare my other blackjack and brown turkey leaves here. I will only have one hand and holding the camera, but I hope you enjoyed this short video.